Hello YouTubers, good morning. We have a good day today. The weather is really nice. It's just a little windy. And today we're going to plant a flower that my husband Edward and I got in the market yesterday. 2 flowers. We are very attractive of it, so we buy it right away so that no one can get it. Because only 2 flowers left there like this. I hope they grow good. This is my younger brother Ray, my sister-in-law Lizelle, and my son, my papa. My husband and I, we both love flowers so much, but we just don't know how to take care of it really nice like that. But we asking a friend of how to do it. But I hope really that flower that we got there in the market will be grow good so that it will produce a baby. I don't know how you call that. Saha na siya, which is a baby kind of baby kind of a flower that grow in the body, in a part of it. I don't know how you call that one. But whoever knows about it, please put a comment of it so that I know. And thank you YouTubers, and please drop likes also. God bless you. We love you. Bye-bye.